up guys, Josh here. We're having some quick ramen, but today we're going to unbox a box of salmon. Let's go.
Okay, let's go.
So this is the Citizen Super Titanium Chrono. This has been launched to California and Florida for like 5 months already, and the forecast for this in Asia or in Thailand, Southeast Asia, it'll be launched next year in summer. But thanks to my dear friend, brother Eldridge. So he came from California straight to Thailand. So I got this from Florida, shipped to California, and then he took this to Thailand. Because shipping it through DHL or FedEx from Florida, the tax will be very expensive. Let alone the tax from Florida going to the courier, FedEx or UPS or FedEx. That's automatic $55 tax, and plus Thailand tax, shipment tax, etc. And yeah, this is it. The Super Titanium Citizen Eco Drive Salmon Dial. A super light wristwatch, of course, because this is super titanium. Wow, this is so light. It is indeed very light. Lighter than the titanium sports watches. And of course, yeah, it's a sports dress watch all in one. It comes in 5 colorway: black, pure white, Tiffany green, and salmon, and another one is yellow, I think. Wow, this is super light. What do you think? Looks awesome. Yep. Non-marking crown. And Eco Drive is innovation of Citizen, getting power from any source of light, bulb, LED, of course, sunlight. Yep. So that would be all for our quick unboxing of our Citizen Zenshin Chrono Super Titanium. In the camera, in the lenses, it looks like orangey brown, but yeah, in reality it looks like orangey salmon, but here in the lens it looks like brown orange. Yep. So that would be all for our quick unboxing. Happy holidays. Peace.